What happens when you eat banana every day? Bananas have been known to be an extremely healthy snack option that's packed with lots of vitamins and nutrients. But, have you ever wondered what happens to your body if you eat a banana every day? The research says some surprising benefits, from improving your skin to even helping you lose weight. Overall, you should only eat 1 to 3 bananas per day, according to experts. If you're curious about the specific health benefits of this yummy, yellow fruit, keep watching. You will likely be surprised to discover exactly what happens to your body when you eat a banana every day. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe the channel for future video updates. Now let's talk about 10 benefits of banana. Number 1. You could lose weight. One effect of eating bananas on a regular basis could be that the number on your scale starts to go down. This is because of the protein and fiber-rich nature of bananas, which can leave you feeling full for a longer period and make you less likely to snack. Number 2. You may fall asleep faster. Always thought that beginning your day with a banana was a great idea. What you probably didn't know was that bananas can make you feel drowsy, even if you've just started the day. They are rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that can reduce your mental performance and reaction time, apart from making you feel sleepy. Bananas also contain high doses of magnesium, a mineral that aids muscle relaxation. These properties, however, make them a good snack before bedtime. Number 3. Your gut health could improve. An unhealthy gut can lead to various health issues throughout your body, so working on balancing your microbiome should be a top priority. Consuming bananas could be a great way to improve your gut health. A 2017 study review in Nutrition Bulletin revealed that bananas contain resistant starch, which can increase the production of short-chain fatty acids, also known as essentials for better gut health. Number 4. You may have more energy. Bananas are a better source of energy than expensive sports drinks. 2 bananas provide enough calories for an 1/2-hour workout. Bananas also are an ideal pick-me-up. When you feel tired and sluggish in the afternoon, don't go for coffee or a sugary snack. Grab a banana instead. Your energy level will last longer, and you won't suffer the dramatic crash caused by caffeine or cake. Number 5. Your memory may be enhanced. Bet you never realized that eating a banana could improve your memory. According to the BCC, B vitamins give bananas the power to better support memory function, as well as help protect other aspects of the brain. Studies have also found that students who eat bananas often perform better on exams, and some even learn more efficiently. Number 6. Your skin may see some improvement. We're constantly looking for new ways to improve our skin health, and apparently, eating more bananas could be the best place to start. There are many vitamins and minerals in bananas, but manganese, in particular, tends to work to boost the body's collagen levels. According to Harvard Health, having better collagen levels can lead to more repaired skin, so everything from acne to wrinkles to dry skin may begin to clear after incorporating more bananas into your diet. Number 7. Your risk of anemia may be lowered. According to the Cleveland Clinic, anemia affects roughly 30% of the population, or 2 billion people globally. The symptoms can range from dizziness, headaches, and a fast heartbeat, among many others. The iron content in bananas is very high and has been seen to boost the body's overall levels. Thus, bananas can help counteract the possible effects of anemia. Number 8. Your heart health can improve. The potassium, magnesium and the vitamin content in bananas all support heart health. According to the FDA, bananas, high potassium and low sodium content reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease against the adverse effect of high blood pressure. Considering most people do not consume enough potassium in their daily diet, eating a banana a day could be essential to regulating your blood pressure and other aspects of heart health. Number 9. You may feel less depressed. Did you ever think that your morning banana could be the reason for your happy mood? Well, it turns out it might be playing an important role in the matter. Once ingested, the tryptophan, amino acid associated with sleepiness, in bananas can also be converted directly into serotonin in the body. The additional serotonin from bananas could make you feel less depressed, and thus, boost your mood and make you feel happier. Number 10. Your vision might improve. The National Institute of Health highlights 3 things that can possibly come from ingesting foods full of vitamin A: protecting your eyes, maintaining normal vision, and even improving vision at night. Not only is having a banana on hand to snack on incredibly easy, but also the health benefits, like this one, are immense. So make sure you eat at least one banana every day. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.